Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable developer options on Xiaomi A2 TV. Remember that you should only do it if you know what you're doing, because some unintended changes may result in damaging your TV OS, and if you are sure you want to do it, click on Set, and then on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, About, and go down all the way to Build and click on OK button on your remote 7 times. Now you can go back and then in the Device Preferences you will be able to find developer options. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.